Have you ever wondered what it would be like if the Earth was flat? It's a fascinating thought experiment, and one that has been explored by philosophers and scientists for centuries. In this video, we're going to explore the implications of a flat Earth. We'll talk about the science, the history, and the culture of flat Earth beliefs. We'll also consider some of the practical challenges that would arise if the Earth was flat. So, what if the Earth was flat? Let's find out. The idea of a flat Earth is not new. It was the prevailing view for most of human history, and it was only in the 16th century that the first scientific evidence for a spherical Earth was presented. The main argument in favor of a flat Earth is that if the Earth were a sphere, ships would disappear hull first over the horizon. This is because the Earth curves away from the observer as the ship sails away. However, flat earthers argue that this is just an optical illusion. They say that the ships are actually getting smaller and smaller until they are out of sight. There are also some practical challenges that would arise if the Earth were flat. For example, if the Earth were flat, there would be no east or west. This is because east and west are defined as directions relative to the Earth's axis of rotation. If the Earth were flat, there would be no axis of rotation, and therefore no east or west. The belief in a flat Earth has a long and storied history. It was the prevailing view for most of human history, and it was only in the 16th century that the first scientific evidence for a spherical Earth was presented. One of the most famous proponents of a flat Earth was Christopher Columbus. In 1492, Columbus set sail from Spain in search of a new route to India. He believed that the Earth was much smaller than it actually is, and he thought that he could sail west to India without having to go around Africa. Columbus was wrong, of course, and he eventually landed in the Americas. However, his voyage helped to popularize the idea of a spherical Earth. In the centuries since Columbus, there have been many other people who have believed in a flat Earth. Some of these people have been scientists, while others have been religious leaders. In recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in flat Earth beliefs. This is due in part to the internet, which has made it easier for people to find and share information about flat Earth theories. The culture of flat Earth beliefs. There is a small but vocal community of people who believe in a flat Earth. These people often gather online to discuss their beliefs and to share information. There are also a number of flat Earth organizations that have been formed in recent years. These organizations provide resources and support for people who believe in a flat Earth. The flat Earth community is often seen as being on the fringe of society. However, there are a growing number of people who are taking flat Earth beliefs seriously. What will be the practical challenges of a flat Earth? If the Earth were flat, there would be a number of practical challenges that would need to be addressed. For example, how would we navigate around the world? How would we measure time? How would we travel to space? These are just some of the questions that would need to be answered if the Earth were flat. It's a fascinating thought experiment, but it's also one that is fraught with challenges. So, what if the Earth was flat? It's an interesting question, and one that has been debated for centuries. There is no scientific evidence to support the idea of a flat Earth, but there are a number of people who believe in it. If the Earth were flat, it would have a profound impact on our understanding of the world. It would also have a number of practical challenges that would need to be addressed. It's a fascinating thought experiment, but it's also one that is unlikely to ever be reality. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to subscribe to MIndBend Universe for more videos about the universe and its mysteries. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep your minds bending.